channel. Today is the day. Got the rack all welded, drilled, and painted. The only thing we have left to do is set it on the trailer. I do have a couple more holes to drill in the sides of the trailer to finish bolting it down, but we're going to get that rack in the trailer, get the tent and awning mounted up today. Stick around. Alright, so after a little bit of wrestling around and going to the store and getting different bolts to fit everything, tent's on. So, only thing left, she's cleaning up some just road grime and a little bit of mold from sitting all winter. Cleaning that up, and then we're going to get the awning put on. And we'll get outside in the sunlight and do a walk around. It's pretty humid and hot today, so I'm sweating like crazy. Alright, she is done. Minor things to do left, but overall she is done. Setting on a downhill slope right now. I'm going to make sure when we park it level that it's more level, a little bit forward when it's on the hitches, alright, because for a tongue weight, but I think she's going to ride pretty level where it sits right now. So pretty excited. Excited, honey?
Yes.
So it's pretty much ready to go camping now. So I think we're done for today. We're gonna get cleaned up and go into town for some lunch. Maybe take it for a pull, see how it pulls, and catch up with you later. All right, so we pulled it into town. It's a little light right now, so it's a little bouncy, but when we get all our gear in it and weigh it down a little bit, I think it's gonna pull pretty nice. So we're getting ready to go into the brewery and grab some lunch, and we'll head back home, and I think that's it for now. Thanks for watching.